It sparkles. It dazzles. It's a holiday wish come true. At Houston Jewelers, we've stocked our shelves with extraordinary collections from world-renowned designers in time for your holiday shopping. This season, come in and experience the largest selection of fine jewelry, timepieces, and breathtaking gifts at unbelievable prices. Choose from David Yurman, Jack College, A-Link, and many other breathtaking jewelry lines. And if an engagement is in your holiday plans, visit Houston's Bridal Boutique to find that perfect ring to create romance for a lifetime. Houston Jewelers, locally owned for 38 years, has the largest selection of the most elegant and beautiful jewelry, priced to make your holiday gift-giving affordable. This holiday, discover Houston Jewelers, a name you can trust. 4717 Stockdale Highway, next to Cafe Med. Find us on Facebook or on the web at houstonsjewelry.com.